Critical Components is a aerospace manufacturer. We manufacture components for the defense industry, Tinker Air Force Base, Air Force, and also with other prime aerospace contractors.
People would be quite surprised on how advanced our manufacturing is here. The energy field contributes to a lot of that, but you know, if you can make parts going 20,000 foot downhole, you can make them going 20,000 foot in the air.
Probably with dealing with the federal government is just the bureaucracy and just dealing with the requirements, the deadlines, and just the information required. OkPTAC has been invaluable in helping us navigate the waters with the federal government. A large network of mentors and support and matchmaking abilities for us. When we started working with PTAC, we were already a federal contractor, so we were pretty far along, and they really helped us, especially with an event like this. The ICBS show opened up the doors to a lot of primes. We met with a representative at Gordon Cooper PTAC, and he offered their services for navigating the waters on Mil Spec 129, which is a packaging and labeling spec that we're sort of short of on experience on that, and that's going to help us immensely. And we didn't have that other source anywhere. In the defense business and aerospace, it's personal relationships that count. You know, PTAC is just a piece of the state support structure for industry, manufacturing, aerospace. And they all work together to make Oklahoma the aerospace capital of the world.